اللَّهِ فَتَوَكَّلُوا إِن كُنتُم مُؤْمِنِينَ. And indeed, you should lay your trust and reliance totally and wholly upon Allah if you are a true believer, or if you are true believers. If you're true believers, you need to rely wholly, totally on Allah. When you came onto the earth, for example, your own parents had to rely on Allah. If they didn't, they would struggle with anxiety. They would struggle with depression. And depression is not always caused by lack of reliance in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, but at times that is a contributing factor. We need to understand you don't have to add worries that you don't need to add in your life or upon your brain, your mind and your system and even your heart. You rely upon Allah. He will definitely take care of you. If Allah can take care of the smallest of creatures, don't you think you're bigger than that? وَمَا مِن دَابَّةٍ فِي الْأَرْضِ إِلَّا عَلَى اللَّهِ رِزْقُهَا وَيَعْلَمُ مُسْتَقَرَّهَا وَمُسْتَوْدَعَهَا كُلٌّ فِي كِتَابٍ مُبِينٍ. There is nothing that moves on earth except that Allah has guaranteed its sustenance. Nothing that moves on earth except that Allah has guaranteed to provide it what it needs. Subhanallah.